Hello my dear students, once again I am here. This time we are going to solve exercise 11.2. We have already completed 5 questions of this exercise. In my today's video we are going to solve rest of the 6 questions of exercise 11.2. So we are going to start with question number 6. What question number 6 is saying? Find the area of the rhombus whose side is 6 centimeter. So we are having a rhombus with us whose side is 6 centimeter. Okay. And whose altitude is 4. Altitude is given as 4. If one of the diagonal is 8, find the other diagonal. One diagonal is also given, that is 8, and he is asking for other diagonal, that is x and y. So base of rhombus is 6 centimeter and height of rhombus is 4 centimeter. And since rhombus is a parallelogram also, so we can calculate the area of rhombus by the formula of base into height. That is area of parallelogram base into height, that is 6 into 4. 24 centimeter square will be the area of this rhombus. Now diagonal 1 is 8 centimeter and area of rhombus can be calculated by half d1 into d2. Area of rhombus is 24, half d1 is 8 and I want to calculate d2. So this is 4. So to calculate d2, 24 upon 4, that is 6 centimeter. So this way the area of rhombus is 24 centimeter and the length of its diagonal is 6 centimeter. So this way this will be the solution of question number 6. Read out question number 7 for me. In question number 7, he is saying the floor of a building consists 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. Each of its diagonal is 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find the cost of polishing the floor at the rate of rupees 4 per meter square. So rate is given in meter square, shape of the tiles is given in centimeter. So we will have to convert that also in meter. And thereafter in the end we will have to multiply it with the rate, so we will get the cost. Okay, so question number 7 we are doing. Number of tiles are 3000. Okay, diagonals of rhombus is given as 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter, or you can say 0.45 centimeter meter, 0.45 meter and 0.3 meter. Now what is rate of polishing? Rate of polishing is rupees 4 per meter square. What should I do now? I should find the area of one tile. Area of one tile is half d1 into d2. So half 0.45 into 0.3. This much meter square. Now what should I do? This is the area of one tile. How many tiles are there? 3000. So area of 3000 tiles is equals to 0.45, 0.3 into 3000 upon 2. So once I will remove the decimal, I will get 1000. And this 1000 will remove the 3. So 3 3 are 9. So 45 into 9 by 2 meter square. This is the area of 3000 tiles, or you can say area of entire floor. Now cost of polishing at the rate of rupees 4 per meter square, 45 into 9 by 2 into 4, 2 to the 4, 45 to the 900, 90 sorry, and 90 into 9 is 810 rupees. So this way the calculation will be easy. If you might have multiplied it here, divided it here, then you might have multiplied by 3000. That way the calculation will be tough, and this way it will be the easiest one. Okay, I'm very sure it is clear in your mind. Question number 8. Mohan wants to buy trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. River along का हमें river side का हमें length बताना है. Okay. This is a trapezium, and what is the area of trapezium? Area of trapezium is half sum of parallel side into height. Okay. Question number 8 we are doing. He is going to purchase a trapezium shaped field. This is river side, this is road side. The river side is twice of road side. This is given na. Its side along the river is parallel and twice the side along the road. This side is twice to this side. So if this is x, this will be 2x, and the distance between them is 100, and the area is 10,500. Let the side along the road be x. So the side along the river will be 2x. Now, the area of field is 10,500 meters square, and the distance between parallel sides is 100 meters. So area of trapezium is equal to half sum of parallel sides into height. The area is 10,500, half sum of parallel side is x plus 2x, and the height is 100. So what should I do? This double 0 will cancel this double 0, and this 2 will go with 105 in multiplication, and x and 2x will become 3x. So in my next step I will get the value of x, that is 210 upon 3, 70 meter. So 70 meter is the length along the roadside, but he is asking about the river side. So river side length is equals to 2x, that is 2 into 70 is equals to 140 meter. So this way, this will be the solution of question number 8. I'm sure it is clear. After reading the question, after watching the solution, you are able to solve these questions on your own. Question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a octagon as shown in the figure. So it is octagon adjacent to question 9. You can see its side is 5 meter. It's the distance between the two parallel lines is 11 meter, and the distance between the in trapezium it is 4 meter. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Octagonal surface का हमें एरिया निकालना है. आइए देखते हैं कैसे निकालेंगे. We are solving question number 9. Octagon. Octagon is the shape having 8 figures, 8 sides. This way, here we are having a octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And each of its side is 5 meter. This side he is telling is 11 meter. And this side is 5 meter because all the sides are equal, and this distance he is telling 4 meter. So what you can see that this with 11, 5 and 4, this is a trapezium, and if I will draw a line here, so 11 and 5, this is a rectangle, and once again it is 11, it is 5, and this will be 4, so this is a trapezium. So portion 1, portion 2 and portion 3. These will be the 3 portions in which the octagon will be divided, and then we will find the area of both of them, all the 3 separately, and then we will add it. And as you can see that the area of first and third is similar, so need not to find it 2 times, just we will double of it. Okay, so area of figure 1. Now, first, the most important thing is that you should be clear that how we have divided. This was being made. This is 11, this is 5. These two are parallel sides. This is the height between them, so it is a trapezium. I have drawn a line here also. So 11 by 5 ka ye rectangle, and this is a trapezium. So half 11 plus 5 into 4 to 32 meter is the area. 32 meter square is the area of figure 1. Area of figure 2. Length into breadth, it is a rectangle. 11 into 5, that is 55 meter square. Now area of octagon is equals to area of figure 1 plus 2 plus 3. Area of figure 1 plus 2 plus 3. Area of figure 1 is 32, figure 2 is 55, and figure 3 is also 32. I got 2 and 2, 4 and 5, 9, 3 and 3, 6 and 5, 11. 119 meter square will be the area of this octagon. And similarly, you will have to solve question number 10, in which he has given you a figure and asking you to find the area of that particular figure. Okay, so let me find it out. Question number 10 we are doing this time. It is made like this. A figure like this is there, and the dimensions are this. This is 15 meter. This is 15 meter. This is 15 meter. And this he is telling us is 30 meter. Okay. So now there are two girls which have find out the area in different manner. So what he is asking? Find the area of this park using both ways. We will have to find the area both ways, and then he is asking that is there any more results. So the first girl has find out the area in this way. She has drawn a line here. So this is 30, this is 15, this is 15, and this total is 15. So since it is in between, so both of them are 7.5 and 7.5. So she has divided the pentagon into two trapezium. These two are parallel lines, so the sum of parallel lines and into height. And what another girl has done, she has drawn a line here. She has made it a square, 15, 15, 15, 15, and the height was 30. So 15 is still here. So till here it will be 15. Look, the total height was 30. Till here it is 15. So rest will also be 15. So a triangle with base 15 and height 15, and a square with side 15. Now another girl has done it in a trapezium way. This was 30. So this was 15. This was 15. So it has been divided in both the trapezium equally. So since it was 15, so here it will be 7.5 and 7.5. So this is the first method. This is the second method. Area by first girl, or we can write the name Jyoti. So we will have to find out the area of two trapezium. 2. Why this 2? Since we are having two trapezium. And the area of trapezium is half sum of parallel sides, that is 30 plus 15, and height is 7.5. So 2 and 2 are cancelled. 45 into 7.5. 75 5 ja 375, and 75 4 is 300, and 337. So this much meter square is the area of this park according to the first girl. Now area by second girl. How she will find? She will find it side into side plus half, base into foot. Side and side is 15 into 15 and half, 15 into 15. Base is 15 and height is also 15. So 15 into 15 is 225, and 15 into 15 is 225 divided by 2 is 112.5 and 337.5. So let it be any way, since the figure is same, the area is going to remain same. You calculate it in any manner, the answer is going to come same. Okay, so this way we will find the area of question number 10. And he is also asking that if you could find any more way. So I am not solving this question, this is all up to you. You will suggest me any more method, that if there is any more method you can find out it by that also, and that you will have to solve on your own. So this was question number 10. Now the last question of this exercise. In that, a rectangular photo frame is there, and in that a photo is being placed, and after placing a photo, the frame has been divided into 5 parts, and then he is asking the area of all those 5 parts. He is asking the area of all those 5 parts. Let us see how those 5 parts will be made. Diagram of the adjacent picture frame, outer dimension 24 by 28. देखो ये था एक 24 बाय 28 का फोटो फ्रेम, ठीक है, 24 सेंटीमीटर बाय 28 एंड द इनर डायमेंशंस 16 सेंटीमीटर बाय 20 सेंटीमीटर. इसमें फोटो कहाँ लगा है? 16 सेंटीमीटर बाय 20 सेंटीमीटर. ये 16 सेंटीमीटर और ये 20 सेंटीमीटर. And then he has joined these lines. So what is this? This is a trapezium. What is this? This is also a trapezium. This is also a trapezium. This is also a trapezium. And the figure number 5 is a rectangle. So first is a trapezium and third is also a similar trapezium. Because dimension is 24 here, so it is 24 here. It is 16, so it is 16. Whatsoever is the height here, the same will be the height there. Similarly, this is 28, this is 20, so this is 28, this is 20. So the area of first and third will be similar, area of second and fourth will be similar, and then area of fifth will be different. Okay. Now what about the height? How we will find out this x and how we will find this y? Look, 24 plus y, oh sorry, I am extremely sorry. This is 20. 20 plus x is 28. 20 plus x is 28. So that way x is equals to 4 centimeter. This is 20, this is x, so it is 28. Similarly, 16 plus y is 28. 16 plus y is 24. So I got y as 4 centimeter. Now all the dimensions are clear. So area of first and third figure. These are the trapezium, half a plus b into h. Half a is 24, b is 16, h is 4. So 2 2 ja 4, 24 se plus 16 is 40, 2 ja 80 centimeter square. The area of this is 80 centimeter square, the area of this is also 80 centimeter. Now area of second and fourth figure. Again the same formula, half a plus b into h. Half a is 28, b is 20 and h is 4. 2 2 ja 4, 28 and 20, 48, 2 ja 96 centimeters square. So the area of this portion and this portion, both of them are, this is also 96, this is also 96. Now area of fifth figure, that is a rectangle, length into breadth 16 into 20, 320 centimeters square. So this way, this of our exercise is complete. Finish off your work and send me your work by today evening. Okay, take care of yourself and keep studying hard.